I don't have clear drawn liquidity, but we'll try to be reactive. So in advance of market open, you have SMT right there. I think the market open will distribute higher. Dow Jones is out of correlation, so I'm not looking at this. Yeah, I also see that we can go lower. However, I would like to have the sweep first. Okay. Okay, we are going lower. The market open, might be now. Just a week. Let's see. But I don't like this for longs too early. We have very clean expansion, very strong trending move in London. So at least 50% of it would be great. Let's see. Yeah, it's just aligning with the fair value gap. I'm looking at TJF, but the problem is we opened high on a day. I don't like that. Okay, so let's take a look. We have news at 10, so it would be nice to have smart mirrors in, and then it will be distribution news. Many people want to long this after inversion, but I don't like that. Chaos. Right now we have chaos. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. I'm short-term bullish at Bitcoin. Short-term. Okay. So the hourly looks like perfectly good looking expansion, retracement expansion. Yeah. Yeah. Let's wait for macro. I would like to long this. We have SMT now with the London 2. Oh, but they want to go higher now. So a good position. Oh my god. Okay, there is no position. Yeah. So that's it. Oh, that's it, I think. 80 points, the 1 minute candle. Yeah. It was fast. Mhm. Okay, maybe we'll look for shorts then. So I like the swing low that it displays through. Going into 4 hour, we are just tapping into bearish fair value gap. Yeah. So ES is already at this 4 hour value gap, so it could go lower now because this is SMT. So it could be double perch. We perched sell side, now we perch buy side, and the right move is sell side. Sell side, buy side, sell side. Nice, nice. From where? Quick scalp, okay. Yeah, it was hard to catch the big move. But congrats, congrats. Okay, what can we see now? Have this intermediate term low. Yeah, Friday is going to be hard, so if you don't need to trade, you don't need to trade today. It's not going to be easy session. Yeah, now we're going lower. However, I would like to see something like that. Just no SMT at this smart money reversal. And want to see SMT right there. Hello TLSI. Hello. Hello everyone. Too much chaos right now, like the wicks are too large. Let's wait for a macro. 42. We have small SMT right now here. It's looking good for shorts, to be honest, but I don't know if this looks too easy to be true. Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, now we are inside of this 4 hour flag up. Pay close attention to that swing low that we displaced through, creating this fair value gap. This is very important. Also, we have fixed price level right there. But this previous month low and yearly open at the is also looking good. Let's see. But I'm looking at this, we basically was distributing higher from the Asia to London. But I think this manipulation is enough for price now to go higher, just higher. Basically TJEF. So the trending IM, so the first 90 minutes time cycle of IM will be distributing, second also, and the third also, exactly how London delivered. As you can see, it was going higher at the first, second 90 minutes time cycle also delivered higher prices, and the third also. So I also will look into this. Let's see. Like, it's very hot day because usually I have clear drawn liquidity, but now it's a bit too messy to have clear drawn liquidity. I have few ways to trade that. Let's see. It's going to be hard session, as I said. Okay, so right now I think this is good buy opportunity right there. You might think I am tripping, but this is good long. I think this is good long. The reason being is the fact that I am distributed higher, so profile first, and I can't anticipate the same at I am too. I see that we can go lower, but I don't know, guys. I think it's looking too easy to be true, too good to be true to just go lower from there. I think we'll go higher. Maybe if the macro will present smart universal with good SMT, yeah, then we can go for this market open low, maybe to a London low. We'll see. So yeah, there is no SMT this high. Like, we have SMT with Dow Jones. This inversion looks like fake CSD at that point of time. So I'm not taking it. I want to get another retrace, then find something. Yeah, this looks like fake CSD. Take a look at Dow Jones. No, Dow Jones, ES. We didn't close below this sequence of fair value gaps, so there is no CSD right now. If you want to short, be more patient. I don't recommend you to enter right now. Maybe wait for a break formation, or at least bearish fair value gap to form. Let me clear some drawings. Okay, yeah. What do you guys think? What is your plan for today? Here you can see we have intermediate immediately rebalance. Alright. Let's see if this holds. I think it shouldn't. We have job to do on the highs. At least ES has to patch this high. Yeah. Okay, now it's going to be interesting because we have SMT with ES right there in a macro. So if this candle close like that, here is your true rejection block. If not, this is your true rejection block. If price will not respect that, I think higher prices will be next. So either we are going to see a low formation right there, or I'm not looking for shorts anymore. So I want this true rejection block to hold. Okay, and it's not holding. So I think it can be something like London. It can be also trending. If you watched my video about continuation days, how to trade them and anticipate them, you already know that if you see London deliver right like that, you can anticipate and predict the same way on the IM. So let's see if that's the case. Co? Co? Ale co? Ja teraz spotkanie mam, kurde no. Okay, unfortunately I have to go. Give me 10-15 minutes. Something is... I have to fix something outside of trading. So sorry for that. Like, communicate with each other, turn on your microphone. I will be right back. So, what happened? Nothing. That's good. Let's see if this is a high formation, or maybe we're going to just see higher and higher prices. What can we set the hourly chart? Yeah. Let's take this 50%. What do you think? I think it's going to just higher and higher and basically maybe trap someone into believing that lower prices are next. But yeah, as I said in the beginning, perfect expansion, interesting expansion, but completely without any chance to catch this. Just take a look at this 1 minute candle, 80 points. Yeah. So there is no option to long this. But if this is, if I'm right, then I am sure to distribute. So you can position yourself ahead of news and yeah, it should work. Now we have something on the highs. Let's see the IPTA time. Oh, there is no IPTA time, I think, yeah. Yeah, don't try to catch the high. Don't try to catch the short. because as I'm telling you, this Friday all week was distributing lower, so we might just get back to the 50% of the week range. Basically open high, low close, something like that. So now we swept that liquidity, which is previous day session IM high. So it's looking like Tabda. I don't know if you know what Tabda is, but basically this candle and this candle, you can see at the clock 9 a.m. and then 9 a.m. So if we close below it in the 7 minutes, yeah, we can see lower price. But if you're going to close above it, guys, I think the 50% weekly range is next. Halo, halo, odbieram.
Dzień dobry. Ja dzwoniłam do Pana, bo wczoraj rozmawialiśmy w sprawie tej koralowej na sobotę.
Tak, zgadza się.
Wysłałam Panu SMS-a, ale nie mam też żadnej odpowiedzi i się zastanawiam, czy Pan w ogóle dostał tego SMS-a i czy Pan odczytał go ewentualnie.
A to chyba nie dostałem, wie pani?
Chyba coś mi się tu wyświetla, że tak jakby gdzieś to wisi. W związku z powyższym pozwoliłam sobie zadzwonić, bo wczoraj też jakiś taki dziwny zasięg był faktycznie.
Tak.
Rozmawiałam tak tutaj z najemcą, tam gdzie ten trwa najem na tej koralowej, jak najbardziej możemy taką prezentację przeprowadzić. Godziny były zaproponowane między 11 a 13. Proszę w takim razie powiedzieć, jak to Państwo widzicie, czy Państwu to pasuje.
Ogólnie to, no to tak, a o 13 dałoby się, tak najpóźniej.
13, tak?
O 13 to by było super, bo jutro będziemy w Lublinie właśnie i byśmy mogli.
No, właśnie Pan tak mówił, że gdzieś tam macie jakieś mieszkania, dlatego
Tak,
też
tak.
mam taką rozpiętość godzin, żeby ewentualnie gdzieś pomiędzy, przed lub pomiędzy gdzieś spróbować to się, może tak powiem, tutaj umiejscowić. No to dobrze, możemy się w takim razie umówić na godzinę 13.
Super, pasuje mi bardzo. Dziękuję, że pani zadzwoniła, bo faktycznie SMS nie doszedł. A,
Tak, tak, widziałam, że nie miałam tutaj takich tych fajeczek, które
tak.
że gdzieś to jest odczytane i tak wczoraj nawet od razu do Pana próbowałam, zanim wysłałam SMS-a, zadzwonić, ale w ogóle jakoś mi nie wybierało numeru, gdzieś się
Mhm.
zawsze zgubił, więc napisałam SMS-a i później rozmawiałam z wieloma innymi osobami, sądziłam, że SMS dojdzie, ale jak widać nie doszedł.
No tak zdarza się, tak.
Będzie o 13 jesteśmy
Tak,
umówieni,
tak.
Koralowa 6.
Super.
Będziecie Państwo na miejscu. Zresztą ja też poczekam przed blokiem na Państwa, tak? Żeby po prostu nie iść tam na górę do najemców, jak jeszcze Was nie będzie.
Dobrze, dobrze. To widzimy się jutro 13.
Tak jest, widzimy się 13. Pozdrawiam.
Pozdrawiam, do widzenia. Yeah, so this plan, as I said in the beginning, I will be very reactive. For now, it's working. Someone is maybe in shorts. Congratulations, I'm not. It's still kinda suspicious to me. But yeah, I like this volume. Breakaway gap right there. So if you want a high risk reward, you can try something like that. It's like ping pong from low to high, now from the high to low, and I think after this low we can go still higher. So yeah, we will see. Yeah, let's see. This looks good, to be honest. This volume, as you can see, left side of the curve is very slow, so the right side of the curve will be a low resistance liquidity run. Yeah, it should go very fast. So let's see. If you want to short now, like you can take this breakaway gap. I'm not expecting huge retracements. But yeah, this would be safer. But like I'm expecting IOFET right there. So basically, first reaction to the first value gap, and it should slam lower as fast as possible. Create IOFET. Institutional order flow. Extra deal. Yeah, this should form a high right there and slam lower. Let's see. If not, I would be more cautious of that. Yeah, this is not what I want to see. And you can say this is 50% of this. Yeah, but I want to see it going very fast. It has to go now. There is no time, because just take a look at this left side of the curve. It's very slow, so it has to just expand, retrace, you know. So closing above it would be very bad. It should go as fast as possible. Break that low. After breaking that low, closing below, this is your invalidation, because we have some T at that high. So after we are closing below, you can go short like that. But you have to wait for a close below. Yeah, this is not it. You have to close below this week. Roshan, can you post your trade? I want to see what was your short. $9.42. Okay. Yeah. I think I was telling that this is not CSD. This is like fake CSD, or even no CSD, because we didn't close below this sequence of rival gap on the ES. So you should listen to me. My bad. Yeah. I was telling you this is not CSD. But journal it and move on. It's not end of the world. Okay, now 10 a.m. opened. What can we see? ES is very slowing down. I don't like that. I don't like that for shorts. It has to speed up as fast as possible. Notice this small imbalance. It can be your continuation trade. After closing below, wait for a retrace. This is your invalidation. This is your trade. Yeah, I like that. I like this trade, to be honest. Let's wait for a trace. Maybe I will even trade. Like small 2 contracts. But you have SMT right there. Also with Dow Jones SMT between the 90 minutes time cycles. Yeah. Yeah, I will wait. Maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't. Let's wait. I wouldn't be in the position yet, still. 50% is intact. So yeah, maybe let's come back to the hourly chart. Right now, yeah, this looks like good shorts. Very good shorts. So basically double patch. I like the 9 a.m. candle reacting to the 9 a.m. candle. If you want to trade aggressive, this could be also entry after closing below. Yeah, it's very bearish. Let's see the targets. My god. Okay. Something is not working. Why I have that big gap? I don't know. Okay, target first. This market open low. Target second, London low. And the Asia low. Yeah. So now we are retracing. Yeah, it could be good short. Let's place one contract right there. Just to try. Yeah, it was supposed to be a tapered, but like small one contract. I love to see how it will end. Basically expansion followed by retracement followed by expansion. So now I'm looking at this low. Have to break that low. So yeah, most of people left the stream. They wasn't expecting me to trade. The sauce is left for you guys, for the free people. A signal, free signal. Okay, what can we see now? I love to see this low works as resistance. This is the 930 open. What I don't want to see is price finding support right there, going higher. So it has to break that as fast as possible. The maximum retrace I'm expecting is that. Okay, so it has to go lower now. So I will go one more contract and go break even right there. Let's put this to this week. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's going to stop me out. As you can see, there is no S&T this week, so Nasdaq has to go right there because it's closer than ES. Yeah. So basically it has to go now. That's why I'm going to... Oh, I didn't even... Okay, so break-even trade. I locked my account otherwise. Yeah. This was a good try, but what I said, I didn't like a retrace from 930. So, yeah. I didn't want to risk anymore. Now the new 10 minutes time cycle is opening, so I think it can drop price lower, but I didn't survive that, sadly. If it will produce a retracement, I will look maybe for another confirmation. We're in between two. I don't understand your question, to be honest, but what you should pay attention to is the fact that we formed that wick yesterday on the 9 a.m. and we swept that wick, reacted of it today at the 9 a.m. This is tapped. Also, of course, in hourly survival gap. Okay, so what's going on? I think closing that was a good decision. I like to trade very aggressive at low resistance liquidity run environment. So yeah, what is going on? Okay, so yeah, okay, I get it. So basically, you're saying that we are below, between it and between it. So basically, you are playing ping pong. No, ping pong. Ping pong from high to low, from low to high, from high to low. But it's very important to you have to position yourself inside of it. Like you saw me going short right there, you can also do that, but as you saw, this is very hard to manage. It takes a lot of experience. I think the most of you in that position would hold this and lose, but I told you I don't want price react from that low. That's why I closed the break even. So what can we do now? I think we have to wait. We have to wait. Maybe it will produce me another short opportunity. But I want another sweep right there. Or at least retrace to the 50%. Oh, maybe you have the retrace to 50%. Yeah. So we are still in a macro. I'm looking at this 1 minute inversion. But the risk reward isn't the best, to be honest. Yeah, this is good short opportunity right now. Oh, but I'm too slow. Yeah, now it's like too low. Yeah, I'm too slow. Old man. Oh, okay, take a look. Let's see. Three minutes in 1 minute, 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, I think I will go one contract right there. Let's see. I will immediately close the position if you are not closing below that 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Okay, the 50-minute is closing. I want to see distribution. Yeah. I'm going break even right there. Wait, open high. This is the week. This is the week that can't be broken. Has to speed up lower. Yeah, too slow. Right now it's too much of a consolidation. It was perfect situation to just slam lower and break that low. But yeah, it's still ranging, so I don't like that. Okay, maybe right now it will go lower, but yeah, it stopped me out like 7 points. It still has to close below it. Let's see. And we are still inside of this 50-minute bullish fair value gap, so yeah. It's not the environment I want to trade in. Yeah, okay. I was thinking I made bad decision, but no, it's still like fucking around, as you can see. So 2 break-even straight. First was continuation. Basically, I saw very low resistance liquidity run. Too aggressive? Man, look at this drawdown. I will be now in a very bad drawdown. I am not too aggressive. I'm experienced at this. I know which week should hold and which shouldn't. So let me now break down the first trade. So as you saw, had really nice low resistance liquidity run. Beautiful expansion, retracement expansion. So I was expecting the same right there. Take a look at this 1 minute fair value gap. That short bar right there. So this was my entry this week. I was without order, without limit order, just market short. A pyramidator right there. Closed here because we reacted to that 930 open. Then we had move higher, EFUG, beautiful V shape. So I went short right there, close right there, because it's still, guys, you want to trade that, like, just take a look and ask yourself, you want to be trade, you want to be in a trade in that price action. It was good right there, yeah, you can see expansion, retracement expansion, but now you don't want to be in the position right now. That's why I was very aggressive, because you have to be aggressive when we are inside of low resistance liquidity run, because we are not anticipating retracements, like that big retracements. It's not a retracement I want to see. It should just expand, retrace, expand. So I made 2 good decisions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But as you can see, this 30 minutes time cycle are now consolidating, and you don't want to try that. It was good looking right there. I was looking for shorts right there, but right now it's not looking good. So we have to wait for the new macro to start and some perch on the high, and then it could be another great opportunity. But you have to come back to that high, at least one index, so it might be yes. Of course, wait for a new time of interest. Roshan, as you can see, I'm not too aggressive. This would be my stop loss right there. I knew what to do. So I don't know if I'm going to take your time, because like now we have 20 minutes without nothing. You can't touch anything. We are outside of the macro, inside of accumulation. So the only possible way is for wait for a patch, look for new SMT, and then you can try to short trade one more time. Yeah. So I had 2 break evens. Casual Friday. I don't like Fridays, but going to hourly chart, as you can see, this candle was formed, this week was formed at 9 a.m. and we had reaction of this sweep of this candle at exactly 9 a.m. the next day. So this is what I'm looking, this is what I like about it, and that's why I was looking for shorts. My entry was a little bit late. I think I should try to short right there. But yeah, if you go into replay, it was looking perfect. Like price expand, retrace. But yeah, suddenly just he got trapped inside of accumulation. So yeah, it was good decision to close that. So if any questions, maybe break down something, tell me. We are not typing anything. Let's integrate with each others. So Roshan, can you now understand why I was very aggressive with my shorts? Dow Jones making higher highs. Oh my god, I don't know if I didn't leak something from my oh my god. I will cut this part of a stream. So what can we see now? It's not a short for me, just outside of time of interest. No perch. Yeah, not even 50% of that week. So if you watched the fake CSD video, you should know what is going to happen next. Yeah, I think I'm going to end the stream. So basically the plan, if you want to short this, I'm telling you, wait for next macro. Wait for patch. At least one index has to broke that high, make SMT. Or maybe the new 30 minutes time cycle will create SMT. So open high, patch, and yeah, then we can look for shorts. If not, if price will just go higher and higher, just close your charts and have a great weekend. So yeah. Anyone have any questions? Yeah, I think everyone is AFK. Sofian, oh, Sofian. Sofian changed name from Roshan to Sofian because I wasn't able to pronounce it. Okay, thank you for being here. I will talk to you at the weekend. Maybe we'll do a back test. We'll see. Yeah, good trade management for sure. Maybe this short was too late. I should find some trade there. But yeah, happens. It's not going lower right now anyway. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, it was supposed to be tapered, but if I see something, I'm trading it. Boring Friday, to be honest. I was expecting a little bit more. Thank you, Roshan. Now I remember from the next time about CSD. Yeah. So, have a great day. Goodbye, guys.